Hello friends, I'm Garima Arora Kannan, a social entrepreneur, motivational speaker and a corporate trainer. Create a better future by constantly investing in yourself and your personal development. There is abundance of resources available for personal development. Spend some time, money, energy in upgrading your skills, your knowledge, your personality and your behavior. Read more books. Books add tremendous value to your life. And listen to some inspirational videos from world leaders and successful people. And most importantly, get a mentor or a coach. This is must for everyone. Having a mentor or a coach is immensely beneficial. He's like a guiding light in your life. He helps you to improve yourself exponentially, gives you right direction, gives you unbiased feedback, helps you to maintain focus and provides constant support and inspiration to be the best, and you learn regularly. If you liked the video, please share it with your friends and family and empower them. Please subscribe to this channel for regular updates.